giving me every bisexual's dream or nightmare, which is a brand that I fully am here for. Yeah. Hey y'all, it's happening. Welcome to my first YouTube video. I have all right lighting. I don't have a microphone yet, but I'm really impatient and I'm a multitasking Gemini and I just really wanted to make a video, so I'm filming one before I get a nice microphone, so please bear with me. I'm gonna stop shaking the desk because it shakes the camera. Today I thought that I would cut. I'm gonna break out the scissors again. I've been scissor happy, so let's just talk about that for a second. I miss having long hair, I missed having a shag, and so the other day I got out one of my Lush Wigs and did the thing. Everyone on Instagram really liked it, and I have a curly wig from them. It's a lace front. The other one I did the other day was not. It was just a regular wig. But I have a curly lace front that I think would look super cute with shag layers. I'm really terrified of filming this, so I figured that was a good reason to film it. So welcome to my first YouTube. Let's fucking get into it. I got iced coffee and water and the wig in all their glory. So this is from Lush Wigs. This was gifted to me. This isn't a sponsored post. Baby is beautiful. They are, shit. I'll link it below so you know the inches, but it's a Swiss lace. I want to make it a little bit shaggier, have some shorter layers on top. I think it's gonna be really cute. So I'm just gonna go through the process, but here's what they look like. Could do a little, there's like not really a part, but kind of sorta, right? So you could style it many a way. I don't have a stand for my wig head yet, so I just wear it and cut, which is fine with me because that's, you know, normally I'm cutting the hair that's growing out of my head anyway while it's on, so. Okay. Tell me why all of my clips went missing when I needed to do this. And there's so much hair on this thing, which I'm not complaining about. It's so great. Anyway, I found 3 clips. So what I did was I want to keep a lot of the length. I think it's awesome. So I clipped back a good lower chunk. I split into 3, 1, 2, 3. So now I have this somewhat of a middle section, and I might end up adding more to this, we'll see. But I have this middle section, and I am going to start taking some length off of this section. Was whether I wanted to try to like curtain bang it, but I think because of the style of curl, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna try to mimic what I have done before with my shape when I had more hair on my head, because my hair is naturally curly. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. It's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Wow. I know it's gonna look crazy at first, but hopefully it's gonna look cute. So I realized I might need to make a lot more short layers than I initially thought, but you know, I'm afraid. Y'all probably do not trust me right now. We gotta trust the process. Trust the process. Okay, it's gonna be cute. It's gonna be cute. It's gonna be cute. All right, bitch. Me to me. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and clip a lot of this out of the way. And try to split that down the middle. Wow, this wig is good. I'm gonna do one of these. So it's gonna be a bit, how you say, fringy, or like those bangs that I wasn't sure I wanted in the beginning. Horse girl bangs, because I can't think of what they're called. Where my horse girls at? Damn, it's really gonna bother me that I can't remember what those are called, but that's fine. Just gonna let it go. All right, I'm gonna step away and brush this out, figure some things out. Okay. Here is a look. I already picked up the scissors multiple times once again, but I love it. It's giving me 80s rocker. It's giving me the Thornberrys baddie. It's giving me every bisexual's dream or nightmare, which is a brand that I fully am here for. No, I really love this though. My weirdo rocker heart is so here for it. I feel like there's a lot of cute things that I can do with this. I love it so much more than the original shape, which I felt like I just couldn't really rock all the time with my personality and my personal style. Happy that shags are back in, like the 70s, the 80s. They're here, they're thriving, they're alive. They're alive in this wig. Yeah, overall I'm pleased with how this wig turned out. It was super fun and chaotic filming and cutting with y'all. I'm sure I'll pick up the scissors 20 more times for this wig and others, but have fun. Have a DIY moment with your hair, with wigs, with extension. Who cares? Do what you want. Have a great time. And stick around because I'll have more fun makeup effects, wig looks, outfit stuff. So much more to come. Bye, creepy cuties.